How You Riding TV, man, for giving Cavari, that's right, his first trophy. And I'm about to show it to you right now. Check it out. What up, what up, what up? It's your boy Stuntin and I'm back with another video, man. And today, your boy Stuntin is headed out of state, man, for a car show. And look what I got on the back. That's right, man. We got Cavari back there, man. So y'all definitely need to stick around for this whole entire video. Don't forget to subscribe because we almost at that 70K. That's right, man. So we can give this damn car away. All right, but definitely make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn the notifications to all, because at 70K, that's the only way you're gonna know I'm going live for the live stream to get a car away, is if you got those notifications on. So make sure you got those notifications on. That's the most important part. All right, so let's get to it, man, right after this lit ass intro.
I just want a bag, like an old lady. I'm backwood smoking, I don't own papers, pass that 808. That don't shake her. Oh, bitch, you know I'm grinding like a pro skater. Baby mama bugging, I'm so quick to hit ignore. Buku bitches in my bed, I got scales all on my floor. I got money on the line, plus I'm clocking it below. I got bitches kissing bitches, all them bitches go explore. I'm feeling way up, I stay up. Put your bitch on my Snapchat while I feed my makeup. She want a chance with me, cause she know I'm a rapper. I give a but I never get feelings, cause shorty, I know what you love now. They watching me, they watching me, they watching me. They watching me, they watching me, they watching me. They watching me, they watching me, they watching me. They watching me, they watching me, they watching me.
Squizzy!
All right, Stunts, Squizzy, man. How y'all feeling? How y'all living, man? Your boy Stuntin, man, is tired as hell. Man, we did not get in the house till like 1 o'clock in the morning, man, but the grind don't stop, man. We had a good time last night, man, downtown Chicago, riding around, you know what I'm saying, getting y'all this content and stuff. Man, we be having so much fun, man. It just be crazy. You know what I'm saying, we all get together and just be out hanging, man, enjoying the cars. People letting other people enjoy the cars and stuff too. You know what I'm saying? It's just a wonderful feeling, man, for people to, you know, really see the visions in your builds and stuff like that, and vibe with it. You know what I'm saying? So I appreciate everybody, man. That all the subscribers that I seen downtown, all, you know what I'm saying, all of y'all. I seen a lot of subscribers downtown. I've been seeing a lot of subscribers everywhere, man. The love is real, man. I appreciate y'all. I really do. So if I seen y'all downtown last night, man, and said what up to y'all, man, just know, man, I appreciate y'all, man. For real, for real. Love is real. But yeah, man, headed out to Wisconsin right now, man, to my boy Tyrone, How You Riding show, man, How You Riding TV. We're gonna go check out his show today. We're gonna link up with PC. They're giving him a Lifetime Achievement Award or something like that. Plus, on top of that, CJ, some of the 32 gang, Smooth from Cincinnati, you know, and a couple other guys, man. They all gonna meet us out there, man. So we're gonna go out there and turn up a little bit. Then we're gonna probably come back to Chicago, man, and fuck it up downtown again, man. You never know, man. So all I can say is you definitely want to stick around this whole entire video. You definitely want to make sure that you do not skip ahead, because you're gonna miss the good parts, because the good parts gonna be all through the video, all right, the whole entire video, all right. So make sure you, man, do what you need to do, man. All right, but I'm gonna holler at y'all, man. I'm on my way to PC first. He got to take care of a small little issue on one of the rims on Cavari, and then after that we're gonna head over to the show, man. All right, so I'll holler at y'all in a minute. Let's go. Stunt Squizzy, if you ready to run your bank account up on these haters, man, let's count it up with them. Let's go.
Oh my God, Stunt Reese, what are you doing, man? Stop it!
It's your boy Stunt Reese, man. Vibe out with me on this Squizzy mix. Let's go.
Stunt, I know you really ain't about to do this as a Squizzy mix.
What? This how we counting on the ass.
41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. Yeah.
What?
Y'all haters mad yet?
Yeah.
42. Alright gang, just made it out here, man, the PC Customs. And we're about to pull off. Actually, let me clean my lens. Hold on. Y'all already know. Yeah, that'll look a little better. But yeah, we got CJ, we got PC, we got this big blue wide body Magnum. That's right, man. That's a work of art right there. PC did that car years ago. Y'all can see, man, we got more cars across the street over there. Trucks, Swervo, Smooth, License Stern, another PC painted whip. Man, it's just about to be crazy. A couple badass motorcycles, and then of course, man, we got Cavari out here. Legendary. C actually touched up that back wheel for me, so now it's back gold. So yeah, we good. So I'm much happier about that situation. But man, we're about to go out here and fuck these people up, man. You know what I'm saying? Sorry, Wisconsin, man, but hey, we got to do it, man. We got to do it. We got to definitely come out here and show out, man. Show off, man, and do what we do. But man, appreciate everybody, man. I'll let y'all when we get out here. Let's get it. Let's go, man. We're about to have some fun today.
I got oil, I got hill, I got wax, I got flow. A1's off, I'm feeling like Rocco. Big bitch, spin to the kid to Morocco. I got pretty women showing teeth like I'm Flocko. I came in the right, so I'm still in the drop.
Alright guys, we just pulled up, man, to the show, man. Everybody showing us love already. PC got us a VIP area right here. We got this whole back row right here, y'all see.
See any person? Man, see you again, bro. Good to see you, bro.
Y'all see the gang out here, man. What's going on, man? How y'all doing?
It's on the reef, we on the bus, man. 32
Yes, sir.
days, Stunt Squizzy in the building.
What's going on, y'all? Hey, what's going on, y'all? Y'all good?
Stunt Squizzy.
Hey, what's up? Hey, mama.
Look at Cavari, though, the sexiest thing I done seen.
Oh, you like it?
I got one of these on the game, too.
Appreciate
I got
it.
this on the game, too.
Okay.
I got to do some more work, though, that yellow line.
Okay, yeah, it's
Come on, man.
it's different, though, right?
I like seeing you, man.
Yeah, definitely. Appreciate y'all. Y'all liking the cars?
I'm waiting on the So Cool mobile to get done, man.
Wait, it's on the way. I just got off the phone with Jeff right now.
Hey, man. Hey, we've been wanting to meet y'all forever.
Appreciate it, man.
Forever.
Appreciate that. Appreciate that love. Appreciate that support, y'all. I really do. Yep, we out here. You got something you want to shout out?
Man, hey, man, Mo 414 Instagram.
Okay.
Shit. My bad for cussing.
No, it's all good.
You know what I'm saying? My YouTube channel, Mo 414.
Yep, easy.
It's kicked off. We've been cooking food on there lately, but
That's
we
what's
finna
up.
do something else.
As long as you do whatever you do, man. Yep. Appreciate y'all. What's up? Yep. Y'all see, man, they got a whole bunch of joints pulling up. More G-bodies, more bikes. Oh, no. No, it ain't that bad. Yeah. PC pulled out the terror on them, man. Y'all see what it is. What up, gang?
I got it off the shop. I made it for the show.
Oh, okay. I gotta check it out. Where is that? Okay.
When you go over there, let me know.
I got you. nigga wild. Got some lowriders out here. Y'all already know my fam out here. Yo, what's going on, brother? How you been, man?
Man, I'm good, bro.
Chillin', man.
Here, man.
Where the SS at?
It's in the garage.
Oh, you ain't bring it?
No.
Yeah.
No,
You want to wait to mount up?
All the way done, man. I'm gonna keep it in the garage. I brought it out once since I bought it.
Oh, have you?
Yeah, I was just working on it this morning, but.
Okay, cool, man. Make sure y'all go subscribe to my brother, man. Shout it out real quick.
Tyler Whipaholic with a K.
Yes, sir. Make sure y'all go show him a whole lot of love. He gonna be bringing y'all that heat. Already bring y'all mega heat on IZ, but he got that YouTube popping now too.
Always love with Reese.
Yes, sir.
Appreciate it.
All the time. You already know. I see y'all.
Drop one of them niggas when I kill them, call the robbery.
Oh my God, how you doing, brother? All right.
Cause no weapon formed against me shall prosper, yeah. Yeah, no touching on the chopper, yeah. Waiting on them boys outside. Steady from outside. Ooh, yeah. Niggas already stepping right in there.
What up, man? You good?
Yes, sir.
Hey, what up? Yes, sir. We super lit. My boys made it out here. How was the ride?
Everybody looking for Ray.
I know, right?
He's down handling business.
Yeah. You know what I'm
On
saying?
and off the drag strip.
Hey, you know what? Hey, that's why y'all a team. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, we got double the videos to post.
Absolutely, man.
Man.
All right, look at that rock.
Gotta get my stories, man.
Yeah, we always gotta do it.
Niggas stepping right in there.
Yeah, I just been over there. I'm going to it again.
Okay.
Yeah, definitely.
Keep it 30 on me, nigga, don't get out the way.
What up, boy? Man, you good? Yes, we out here, man. Milwaukee. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This car got so many details. What up, man? Beautiful, man. This boy right here so cold.
You didn't see it at the picture because I didn't have it all opened up.
Yeah.
Just right here.
Oh, yeah. Look at it, y'all.
Look at this. Down here.
Oh, yeah.
And then look at the engine.
Yeah, I seen the engine. Yeah, I just seen that. Got everything done. Yeah. So is that a paint or?
Yeah.
Okay. It's done so flawlessly. It don't even look like paint. It look like it was built like that. Yeah, that's dope, man. First aid kit even go crazy along with that fire extinguisher. Look at that detail in the first aid kit and fire extinguisher, y'all. Nasty. That's when you're talking about silly bills. My guy out here, man, once again, y'all remember from last time we was out at the show?
Yeah, it used to be Black Panther, now it's COVID-19.
Oh yeah, definitely sick. Yes, sir, definitely sick.
Thank you, brother. Thank
Yeah,
you.
this color is wicked, y'all. color right there, y'all. We got Boots out here doing his thing. I see you, Boots, man. Getting to it. Yes, sir.
Got this one before it came out.
Yeah. I seen you drop the video recently too.
Notification came.
Yes, sir. Hey, how you doing? Huh? Huh? Yeah, you already know notification game. Yes, sir. Look at this, Joe. Prius could be here one day. Whoever win it, man, this should be y'all goal, bruh. What up, fam? Chillin'. Yes, sir. What's going on, man? Chillin'. What up, man? Yes, sir. Look at this. Go crazy. I don't see it. This thing nice, man. Guys, whoever win the Putt Prius, man, y'all could get it to this level, man. Y'all really can. But look at this gym right here. Ooh, this is some inspiration for the So Cool Mobile right here. Let me take a good look at this, man. So yeah, guys, we got the spoiler coming, man. Shout out to my man Mike over at Spool Fool. He's sending us the rear deck spoiler right here for the So Cool Mobile. So it's on the way. You know what I'm saying? It should be coming soon. This thing is so clean, immaculate. This thing is immaculate. They cut a roof in it. Look like, yeah. Oh, they put the GNX fender vents on it right here. I was thinking about doing this, y'all. Drop in the comments if I should put the GNX fender vents on it. Give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Let me know what you think about the GNX.
Watch all y'all videos.
Appreciate you, man. What's your name, bro?
Isaiah.
Isaiah? Nice to meet you, bro.
Watching all y'all videos up here, man. We fuck with y'all.
Appreciate that, man.
I
For
like
real.
what you did with that Corvette.
Thank you, brother.
Yeah.
Yeah, a little different, you know what I'm saying? What's up? We outside with it. Yeah, that's definitely inspiration, man. Now, I like the way he got these painted because these are normally like, you know, just a grayish color. He painted them, and that looks good. The air dams underneath. Definitely gotta, I think I'm gonna definitely add that feature, add that paint to that. It just makes the whole thing look unison, and I like that. So I think I'm gonna add that to my design. I was thinking about doing it, but to see it in person, definitely. So to see that done and the fender vents, just, you know what I'm saying, two elements that I haven't actually locked in on how I was gonna do it, but yes, those are two elements that I was thinking about doing. So need y'all get in the comments and let me know what y'all think about that, man. Clean ass old school right here. Yeah, this thing nice right here. Super nice. Right here. What y'all think about these lowriders? Probably because of the customization they wanted people to see, but they got the whole top of the fender like cut out. That's kind of crazy with the bracing and everything. There's a whole different type of vibe and feel under the engine compartment. What up, fellas?
What up? I drove all the way from Vegas.
Huh?
I drove all the way from Vegas.
No, man. We from Chicago. Yeah.
Oh, these are like the Vegas cars.
Yeah. No. This ain't my car. Yeah, it's got custom suspension that, like with air shocks. Yeah. So.
I'd be scared to be niggas.
Ain't nothing to be scared of. You know what I'm saying? Hey, what's going on, huh?
We with CJ?
Yeah. Yup.
That is your car right there. That black car with the hood up right there.
No, I sold that car. No, I'm in a red Corvette next to the CJ vet.
Oh, he got the C8 now.
Yeah. No, Chicago. Yeah. Y'all from here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey.
What's going on? Y'all liking the show? How long y'all been out here? Y'all just came out?
Yeah, at least like 30 hours.
Okay, that's what's up. All right, y'all. Good seeing y'all. Nice to meet y'all. Thanks for that support. Stunner Reese. Yup.
DJ be trying to make fun of you on his what's the name?
Oh, do we? Okay.
Y'all better go on his camera.
CJ so smooth. CJ on 32.
Yeah, CJ on 32. Mopar boys out here. These wide bodies. Look like a wide body scat right there. We got the black and red gang over here. Mopar boys out here clowning. What up, gang? What's happening, church? How you, brother?
Man, cool.
That's
It slid hard, bro.
Appreciate it, man.
That was the one right there.
Yeah, a little different, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, appreciate
That
it.
motherfucker hard.
Yeah, appreciate that, man.
That motherfucker hard, bro.
Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it,
That
man.
motherfucker is hard.
Yeah, it's just a little different than, you know what I'm saying, everybody else just did something different, you know what I'm saying? That's
That's
what
what it's about.
Yeah,
Yeah, y'all definitely landed, man.
appreciate it, man.
Y'all definitely landed.
Appreciate it.
When y'all thought it was so crucial, I was like, oh,
Yeah. We out here, though. We always fuck with Milwaukee, man. They always get a whole lot of love out here, you know what I'm saying? So, gotta definitely, man. Definitely always gotta show love in Milwaukee.
I watch your channel every day, man.
Appreciate you, fam. What's your name, brother?
Antonio Floyd, man.
Tonio. Nice to meet you, brother. Appreciate that, man.
You, man.
What's up? What's up? No doubt, no doubt. What's going on, God? How you doing, brother? All right, man. Yes, sir. We out here, man.
My line up right here.
This right here, the Mopar boys. Yeah, I just checked them out. Yeah, on the with the bike. Okay, yeah, I got the bike too. So yeah, no doubt, man. What's your name, brother?
Cole. They were Cole. Follow me on YouTube. They were Cole.
They with Cole?
Yeah, they were Cole.
No doubt, man. Make sure y'all rock with her, man. You got a whole lot going on, man. Y'all can see by the background, man. The whole effervescence of everything right there. Looking real good, y'all. How y'all doing? Y'all good? All right, David, man. All right.
Look at me now, driving German engineer. You don't want your baby now. Fuck, keep the hoe from near me. Kilroy. Remember when I used to use your wheels to hit the road, hit the oil, make them big boy sales? Move. Remember when you had them green things made with vacuum seals, trying not to have them green things smell? Feds was on me. What you know about related to money? I don't know nothing. I just used to see them walk to the coney. I fuck with bitches. My body count go from Persian to Cody. Any further questions, you can take that up with the lawyer. My nigga think with J Money. Right on low project. Joe will tell you every day before school. I sold a half boat. Now you think I won best dress with no support. And had them paid lawyers coming in and out of court. Hey, wind up. ADOA did a blessing. We made it out Kentucky after all that happened. After the pre-trials, after the status, impact statements.
CC gang out here.
Ain't it a blessing? We made it out of lessons after all that happened. After Michigan State, after Hoover, all men sold on us and made it. Put the money on the seats,
What up, fam? What up, fam? How you doing, my G?
Maintain, man. Welcome back to Milwaukee once again.
You already know we out here, man. Always get love.
I watch your channel. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Yeah, appreciate it, man. Yeah.
I'm a little under the weather today, man.
Hey, man. Yeah, you gotta do what you gotta do to take care of
You
that.
gonna be here, so I came.
Oh, appreciate it, man. Appreciate it, man. That's I like what you got here, boy. I like this color.
I kind of did a little something this summer, man, just to get myself in the door.
Yeah.
You know, but next summer I'm gonna turn up with it, though.
Okay, that's what's up, man. Appreciate that
I had
support.
to go where my pocket took me.
Hey, that's the best way to do it, man.
Hey, that's how we doing.
Yes, sir. Big love from the What up, fam? How you doing, my man? Yeah.
Where you ride at?
Right over there.
Hey, don't get there.
Down the red Corvette. Yeah. Yeah, right. Yeah. What's your name, brother?
I'm Joe.
Joe. Nice to meet you, brother.
I'm Swervo. That's my nephew.
Oh, is it? Okay. That's what's up. Who? You talking about Tank? No, I know Sorbo up here, but I don't know about.
Yeah, you can't go over there. I see them over there, but I ain't see her.
Yeah, I ain't see her.
I'm looking for her.
Yeah, probably so. What's going on, fam? How you doing, brother? What's your name, man? Shemaine. How you doing, brother? Junior? Okay, that's what's up, man. You out?
Yeah, on 32, right?
Yeah, he over there. Yeah.
Y'all came from
Chicago, yup. Yeah. Had to come out here, man. Y'all always show us love out here in Wisconsin. So we always have to come out here and show you love. Yeah, we definitely be trying to do what we do.
I know them. I seen them on YouTube.
Yeah. That's what's up, man. How you like the show so far?
I love it.
Yeah.
I like it, yeah. It's my first time coming.
Yeah, there's a whole lot of nice cars out here so far. All right, broski. Nice to meet you, brother.
Yep.
All right, man. This Riviera clean like a bitch, boy. This motherfucker clean. Man, look, this got to be one of the cleanest Rivieras in existence. Thank you. What's your name, man? Yeah, what's your name? Jay. Nice to meet you. Thank you. Appreciate that. What up, brother? I know, right?
Shout out to the incredible queen. Y'all don't see her.
Huh? Yeah, let's go. Y'all know what it is, man. We out here in Wisconsin, man. Showing love, you know what I'm saying?
I had to show this nigga the masterpiece. Let me turn it around for y'all so I'm focusing. I had to show him the masterpiece. That's not a rap. That's a paint job.
That's right, man.
Not a rap, paint job.
Subscribe to my channel. You're going to see it on the vlog. Let's go.
Yeah. Tell him, hey, look though. Joe Dirt the Bully on Instagram. I do dogs, dog breeder, man.
Okay.
Hey, it's only up from here. Dirty line.
Y'all see it right there, man. Tune in, man.
Tune in, man.
Let's go.
She got a hand wash.
What up, fam? Where you at with it? Oh, okay. Oh, shit. That's that thing. Oh, yeah, he got the full carbon fiber in here. Roof blown out. Yes, sir. What you mounting? What you gonna mount on it?
I'm thinking like 22. I like the bigger look, but I like the performance.
Yeah.
V6, I had 24s on my 5th gen, so.
Yeah. I'm the same type of time. I like performance still, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to lose my...
22-inch boards, they still look good.
Yep. Oh, God, for real. Hell yeah. My nigga.
Appreciate you, bro.
You got anything you want to shout out?
Yeah, subscribe, your boy Z Mero. Easy, Z space Mero.
Yep. Do what you need to do, man. Get it tuned.
Subscribing right now is growing.
Let's go, man. Tune into my depth. Appreciate you, boy. Nice detail. What's up? Over there?
Okay.
I got that. Yeah. Appreciate it, man. Oh, you fuck with it? Yeah, appreciate it, man. Hold my phone. just come back and show y'all love, man. Drop your channel on.
It's 0 Degrees TV, man. I'm trying to reformat it, get it together, man, because I've been seeing how y'all go hard, and I'm going to try to format it so it's in a format business, because I just be dropping video. So I'm going to try to format it and reinvent myself, you know?
Definitely, man. Well, do what you do, man. As long as you grinding, man. You can't cheat the grind.
Yes, sir. That's all it's about.
Yes, sir.
If it's a car show, I'm trying to pull up.
Hell yeah, on God. Yeah, he's tough. Definitely tough. What up, gang? Y'all looking good out here, boy.
Yes, sir.
Decent.
Yes, sir.
That combo killing.
Man, look at that combo, bro. He is not playing Milwaukee. I love y'all, man. Y'all showed us some justice, boy. I think we need to play this, baby.
Hell yeah. What up, fam? Y'all good, man?
You know that Chi-Town shit, but you know.
Yeah.
I reside in the cheesesteak.
No doubt, man. What's going on, fam? Y'all good?
Hey, you gotta
Hell yeah.
show up. You gotta get that stick on the one.
You gotta show up.
Get that stick on the one and let nigga know what it is.
I got you. I got you.
Hey, but we's out in the cheesesteak, though.
Okay. I like this combo. I like this combo, for real.
Look at them seats. Man.
So this all original? You just mounted it up? All straight up? Okay, yeah. Yeah, this. Thank you, my G. Thank you, yeah. Yeah, on God, for real, would you tell them? You know what I'm saying? Oh yeah, no, that's.
Hey, we gotta let the motherfucker know who up in there.
Exactly, motherfucker gotta see my ugly ass.
Hey, we put spots around here.
Yeah, oh God. Yeah, this motherfucker decent though. Cause I like this. This tough. Drop in the comments, let me know what y'all think about this thing, man. This tough, man. Definitely top. One of the top in the show. And it's simple, clean, man. Ain't done up, overdone. Just the way the combo is with the wheel choice and everything just really works. Yeah, nice. Nice Impala right here. Clean. All right, gang, it's been a long night, man. Your boy Stunner Reese just getting in about 2 o'clock in the morning, man. Mr. 75 Caprice had an issue with his tire, and we had to come in, you know what I'm saying, make sure he was good. But he is all good. He is got his car home now, and that's the most important thing. But, man, I couldn't close this video out without saying thank you to everybody in Milwaukee who came out to see, you know what I'm saying, me, showed me and CJ and the rest of the stunt squad 32 gang a whole lot of love, man. Appreciate y'all, man. But I definitely got to give a big shout out to Tyrone, How You Riding TV, man, for giving Cavari, that's right, his first trophy. And I'm about to show it to you right now. Check it out. That's right, man. Second place, new old school, Cavari, man. Congratulations on winning your first trophy. CJ got first place with his C8, but he actually decided to give his trophy away to another person. So yes, man, we appreciate that, guys, for showing us love. Got a lot of love on the stripes, on the way the car looks. So yeah, it's definitely, man, something that I like, and that's why I chose to keep the stripe. I could easily take the stripe off if I wanted to, but I like the stripe, so I am going to keep it on the car. All right. But yes, definitely, man, appreciate y'all. I really do. Y'all just don't know how much y'all mean to me. And guys, don't forget, man, join in the school supply drive with your boy Stuntin Reese, man. We doing $1 donation. It equals 5 tickets for a chance to actually vlog with your boy Stuntin Reese, man, with any choice of car of mine that I have. And also the winner gets $100 in cash, and also you also get a custom one-off signed t-shirt by your boy Stuntin Reese, man. So there's also additional 9 cash prize winners. Along with those people also get signed signature shirts. You can go in the description of this video and all my videos and grab that $1 raffle ticket right now. And also don't forget, man, go to creatorconnection.com, which is also in the description of this video and all my videos, and grab your Creator Connection videos, guys. We're going to show you, man, how to pay for your Creator Connection class. That's right, man. Why are you sitting in class, man? So you got to come to the event in order for us to show you the tips and tricks on how to grow your social media, how to not only YouTube, Instagram, and all the other platforms, man. So definitely, man, make sure you come out to the Creator Connection event, all right? Going down in Myrtle Beach. Plus, it's a big pool party, beach party hosted by me. And I got a special guest that I'm going to bring out, too. And also, I'm doing the Stuntin Jam car show out there, man, on Sunday, the 14th of November, man. So definitely, it's going to be a lit weekend, all right? But this weekend, y'all, don't forget, this Saturday coming up, your boy Stuntin Reese will be in North Carolina. And then this Sunday, your boy Stuntin Reese will be in Columbus, Ohio. So don't forget, man, come out and rock out with your boy, man, on those 2 days, man. All right. I will be there on Friday. I might try to see if somebody want to collab or something. You know what I'm saying? We'll see if we could possibly put something together. But yeah, definitely, man. Just definitely, man, make sure you come to the show this Saturday. Buzz City. It's going to be me, SRT Bree, King Mozzie, and a bunch of other people, man. It's going to be lit. So this Saturday, man, meet me in North Carolina, Albany. And then Sunday, meet me in Columbus, Ohio. All right? So I'll see y'all, man. This your boy Stuntin Reese. Check it out, man. Appreciate y'all. Peace. Today's video is brought to us by the Street Whip Stuntin Facebook group. If you're into custom cars, the big wheel culture, big wheel racing, or anything customized with cars, motorcycles, and trucks, make sure you join the Facebook group Street Whip Stuntin. You can post all your pictures, all your videos, and it's free. So definitely click the link in the description of this video and join the Facebook group Street Whip Stuntin.
Hey, subscribe, share. What does it like for you niggas? Subscribe, square, like. Square? Shit.
Alright, subscribe, square.
Yeah, subscribe, share,
and
like.
Square.
It's square. And share.
Alright,
Subscribe to my man.